Hello and welcome to this video. My name is David Thorne. In this NextJs video, we're going to be talking about linking and navigation, and just to show you an example of what the differences are, because it looks like it's the same thing, but once I show you an example, you'll see how it's something different. So let's just go over to our web page at the moment, and you'll see that there's on our layout, you see that we're using just anchor tags, simply anchor tags, that's it. And when we then navigate to it, it does a full page reload, right? So it's doing a new request every single time, which is okay, which is fine. Now, if we change this and we use then the link from NextJs, and we change this just to be like this instead, and we then change this one and say contact and contact, and we can copy and paste the last one and change this to about. And now let's have a look what it does. You'll notice some different behavior. So if we come back to home once again and we go to contact, you'll notice that it just flicks between the pages, super simple. But if we then do a page reload, it still keeps the data. All right, so this is the important part about it, is it's now essentially 3 different pages, right? But if you come to the network, let's just show you what's happening maybe in the network. You'll see that it's going to collect a contact page, and that's going off in the background to collect the actual content of this one page. And we come to home and we come to about, and now if we do this once again, you'll see that there's no more fetches in the background. Okay, all right, well maybe there is, but we can see now there are no more fetches in the background happening because the data has been loaded. All right, so it means that it's still serving a static page. So at the home page, it's still serving the static home page, and you can see it's obviously collecting the data every certain amount of seconds, every minute or something. It's doing a new request, but other than that, it's pretty much keeping the data how it is. And let's just see. It seems to be now not doing a cache of it. Anyway, that's basically what linking does. So if you want to have a page that always does a page refresh, then just use the anchor tag, right? Otherwise, you can use the link. Now there might be some more parts of it that we can use instead of that. Imperative routine should be able to cover most of it. Button on click. We don't want that. We don't want that. We want to try and eliminate as much JavaScript reliance as possible. And because browsers, they're looking for those anchor tags, they're looking for those hrefs, and it's the JavaScript clicks that it just doesn't find. You know, you want to have the native HTML tags doing the native HTML things, and if there is JavaScript in the background that can help you out in addition to that, that's what you want. But you really want to always rely upon that. If in doubt, it has no JavaScript, it will still do the same thing that it's expected to do. And that's what NextJS is basically doing. It's saying, hey, I can do this quicker if I fetch it in the background, and it's going to look a lot nicer. And then you can really use React in its entirety. So NextJS, although it's basically just it's more like a navigation and routing system and a server system and a caching system as well, that's helping you to use React actually how it should be used. With that said, I hope you've learned something in this video. If you haven't, let me know in the comments down below. If you liked it, give it a like. If you disliked it, give it a dislike. Other than that, see you in the next video. Thanks then. Ciao, ciao. Goodbye.